Psalms chapter 107, verse 1. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his mercy endures forever. Verse 2. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so, whom he has redeemed from the hand of the enemy. Verse 3. And gathered out of the lands, from the east and from the west, from the north and from the south. Verse 4. They wandered in the wilderness in a desolate way. They found no city to dwell in. Verse 5. Hungry and thirsty, their soul fainted in them. Verse 6. Then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble, and he delivered them out of their distresses. Verse 7. And he led them forth by the right way, that they might go to a city for a dwelling place. Verse 8. Oh, that the man would give thanks to the Lord for his goodness, and for his wonderful works to the children of man. Verse 9. For he satisfies the longing soul, and fills the hungry soul with goodness. Verse 10. Those who sat in darkness and in the shadow of death, bound in affliction and irons. Verse 11. Because they rebelled against the words of God, and despised the counsel of the Most High. Verse 12. Therefore he brought them down their heart with labor. They fell down, and there was none to help. Verse 13. Then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble, and he saved them out of their distresses. Verse 14. He brought them out of darkness and the shadow of death, and broke their chains in pieces. Verse 15.